This is how you change a three-piece Coleman filler cap gasket. This one I've already removed the gasket and polished it up a little bit. This one I've already heated it up with a torch. This one I haven't touched yet. Let me show you. Take a propane torch. See it's starting to bubble up. You want to let this sit 15 minutes probably. Takes a while to cool off. But the gasket, once you heat it up like that, which with this one I've already done it. It's already cooled off. And you just simply, the old gasket, just simply, you want to use a pick or precision screwdriver or something. Make sure you remove all of it. What really matters is the seal between here and on your fount, but you still want to get all that out of there so that the new gasket will fit in properly. Sometimes it depends on who made them, but all you do is just press them in. I don't remember who I bought these from, but these fit really well. Anyhow, tuck it in there nice and then put it back on your lantern and what you do to remove it, you screw this onto your lantern tight and then the screw will come right out. If it just spins, just tighten it a little bit more. Same thing after you replace the gasket, put this on your fount and then it should line up with the screw. Tighten it up and then once it starts getting tight, just tighten it up a little more and then tighten the screw and you're all set.